Morning guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. How you all doing? On the megane today. So you know about the disaster of the paint job on there, so I've got to go and take this car and get it mirror cover and bring it to the paint shop, and basically they're going to scan it because apparently there's 5 different shades, which is a bit annoying. Right, the verdict is it failed the MOT, and this is what it failed on. Stop lamp, nice easy fix. Track rod end ball joint has excessive play outside. Tyres worn close to legal limit. So basically he needs 2 tyres on the front, which I'm gonna sort out before, obviously after the MOT. So we'll go and get them. Track rod end I've already got now, which I'm about to fit now. And that's basically it. So retest it, and then we should have it all fully done. So all I'll do is paint that bit again once I get some paint, and then we can stick this up for sale. Right, I'm going to crack on with this ball joint now. And also I just noticed that the battery key is going flat, which is annoying, so I have to get another battery. Well, I think it's like 2032 size battery or something. So right, I'm going to crack on this ball joint and go from there. Basically, this is what buggered, and yeah, that's definitely gone. Look at that. Obviously that's meant to be quite solid, so all I'll do is undo that. If I undo this nut there, then you spin this off and then put a new one on. So we're doing it now. I think my battery's going dead. Let's put that as well. Right, I'm back with some proper tools now. And what we'll do is we'll put this back in here. Oh yeah, there you go guys, that's totally well and truly buggered, that is. I'll try and wedge it onto there so then you can lever it. God. And then what we do is we will stick this on there, get the right size to then round off. Give us a tap. A jack there, yeah, so then obviously this bit will hit there and it won't spin. I've also got an axle stand on here, which will be like that. So the plan is to heat this up, because this nut, I can get this nut undone, but the actual track rod is completely and utterly seized. So what I'm going to do is you're going to use this, one of these, and I'm going to spray it all on there for a good 5 minutes, and then basically hopefully it should get red raw, nice and glowing, and then fingers crossed it will loosen it. So let's give that a go now. It's like this. Blowtorch. Yeah. See it going red raw now, it's glowing. Right, and what we'll do is we'll stick this on there. Yeah, oh shit, that's hot. And we'll tap it. Should definitely have gloves, because that's boiling hot. But as you can see, it's going, which is good. Right, so what I'm going to do is heat it up again a bit more, and see if we can move it a little bit more, because it's not moving as much as I wanted it to do. But as you can see, I've actually moved it right around near 360 degrees. There's a gap now there. It's still very stiff, so I'm just going to heat it up again even more. And then fingers crossed, it should come off. Bye. It's going now, guys. I don't dare touch it. I can feel the heat already still. Because it's so rusted up, obviously you meant to count the turns, but I've lost count because I can't get this fucker off. Ouch! Shit, that's hot. As you can see, that's proper corroded in there. Look. That is boiling up. Obviously, yeah. Ah, Jesus Christ. So what I'll do is I'll put the other one on. Right guys, that ouch, it's still hot. Holy crap. Anyway, that's how buggered that is, that really. I can't really hold it. Totally effed. And this one, you can hardly move it at all. So yeah, I can actually put next to it on there. Look, ready? That one solid. This one totally effed. Right, so I'll whack this one on, and then we can get it MOT'd. Right, so I've twisted that on. Whack this on here. Should be able to use. Take the jack off. And shove that under it. Right, let's tighten this up. There you go guys, that's how you do track rod. All completed. Olive, do you want to do me a favour? Open that door and quickly grab me some nuts. Nuts.
That sounds weird.
No, you're 9 years old, you shouldn't be thinking stuff like that. You need 10. Nuts and bolts. Oh, pardon me. Huh? In the driver's door. The one's on the floor. Not male nuts. Thank you, Olivia. Do you want to be in my little house? You could be my camera girl. Huh? What can you do then?
I don't know.
Here's my little princess. Say hello to everyone.
Hi.
What'd you say? What'd you say on YouTube?
Like and subscribe. I'm waving at the camera.
Do you want to have a go at unjacking the car?
Exactly.
I'll let it show you. Right, come here.
Yeah. Wait, let me make sure my...
What you do? Yeah. is push down on that lever.
Yeah.
All the way down, then back up. Keep going. So the car goes higher. Keep going. Muscles. Keep going. So then we can release that in a minute. Keep going.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Hang on.
Stand on it. Stand on it.
Yeah.
Is that all your strength?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna end up breaking it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Right.
Wow. What?
Alright, now we'll pull this out.
You're making it look like it's easy.
I'll do it all the time.
Now what do I do?
Right, now this is the fun bit.
Yeah.
Alright, put that in there
Yeah.
and then twist this handle. Twist it that way towards our house. Whee!
That looks cool.
And then you can pull it out with that. Put that in there.
Wait, huh?
That's it. Pull it out.
I did it.
You did do it.
Finally.
Right, now
That was heavy. Why you got a lighter out here?
that's the gas torch.
Now what?
Now
Do you have any gloves?
you've got to stomp on that. Apart from damaging the car. Ready? Go. Ow! Put your hand on there.
You said stump.
Push.
Yeah.
Let me show you.
I'm gonna sit on it now. Yeah. That's my whole
How next
string.
that?
That looks easy.
Easy, go on then, do that one. Go on, ready?
I
Go.
can hold you.
Hey!
You help.
No, I didn't. I don't know what you're on about. We've done that one.
I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna try to do it on my own this time.
Go on then.
You help.
Go then, go.
Wait, can I hold you? You take a fall. Wait, I'm doing it.
You're actually doing it.
Yay. It fell. Wait, was it that one?
This one you haven't done, I think.
That's the one I just
And then
did.
done that one.
We didn't do that one yet.
Yeah, done that one.
We haven't done
Hope
the
you've done
bottom.
this one.
No, we have. We haven't done that one.
No, you haven't done that one yet.
I'll do that
So
one.
if I put that there,
I need to hold on you again there. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, it's still going.
go on then.
Come here. That was the easiest one. That was the easiest one. Dad, do you have any gloves somewhere?
Hey?
Do you have any gloves somewhere?
Oh, you'll help me.
Yeah, but my hand's getting dirty. You got any gloves?
Done now?
No! Where's your gloves? Oh, wait, I know where they are.
There you go, guys. All done. Passed. So all I've got to do now is repaint that door because I've just got some more paint matched. So weather holds up and actually is nice weather because it keeps on raining over in south east of England, which is doing my nutting. We'll get this done and then we can sell this car. Right guys, you like all this content, then like and subscribe and I'll carry on doing it because it seems like it's gone a bit slow lately with my watching flipping these cars. So I'm not too sure if it's actually that good to carry on because it seems like I get more views when I'm fixing the cars, obviously doing the how-to videos, than actually this flipping series. So if it doesn't pick up very soon, then I probably won't do the flipping the car series and just carry on flipping them myself, and obviously not put it on camera. Anyway, speak to you soon, guys. See you later. Bye.